Introduction to Mandarin Tones.
Mandarin Chinese uses 4 main tones that change the meaning of each word. Mastering these tones is essential for clear communication. Many learners find tones challenging at first, but with consistent practice and the right tools, you can build strong listening and speaking skills. The HelloChinese app offers interactive features designed to help you conquer Mandarin tones step by step.
Getting started with HelloChinese.
Download HelloChinese from your App Store and set up a profile. Once inside, select the Beginner's Mandarin course. The app's lessons include dedicated tone practice from the very start. Explore the main menu and look for sections labeled Pronunciation or Pinyin, where the tone exercises are located.
Practicing tones with interactive exercises.
HelloChinese provides tone-specific exercises using audio, visual cues, and recording. You'll listen to native speakers pronounce syllables and words in all 4 tones. The app then prompts you to repeat and record each tone. Instant feedback lets you know if your pronunciation matches the target tone, helping you correct mistakes quickly.
Tips for effective tone practice.
Practice in short, focused sessions and repeat difficult tones regularly. Try using the slow playback and waveform features to visualize pitch changes. Repeat after the model speakers until you feel comfortable, and don't hesitate to revisit earlier lessons. Track your progress in the app statistics section to stay motivated.
Expanding your skills beyond the app.
Supplement your HelloChinese practice by listening to Chinese music, watching videos, or speaking with native speakers whenever possible. Use the phrases and tones you've learned in real conversations. Over time, your tone recognition and pronunciation will improve, making your Mandarin sound more natural and confident.
Summary: building confidence with Chinese tones.
Learning Mandarin tones takes patience and regular practice, but HelloChinese makes it easier and more engaging. Use the app's tone exercises consistently, apply helpful tips, and try to immerse yourself in the language. With dedication, you'll master Chinese tones and boost your ability to communicate effectively.